Exploring the math magic of rectangles. Welcome to Syllabus, where today we dive into the fascinating world of mathematics. Get ready to unravel the secrets behind the area and perimeter of rectangles. Quick recall, look around you. Can you identify objects with the charm of a rectangle? And more importantly, do you know how to unlock their hidden mysteries of area and perimeter? Let's embark on our journey with a lesson outline. 1. Area of a rectangle on a grid. Explore the grid, where vertical and horizontal lines form a square. Each square measures 1 square unit. 2. Area versus perimeter. Understand the duel between area and perimeter. The space inside versus the total distance around. 3. Solving for the area and perimeter. Equip yourself with the skills to solve word problems involving the area and perimeter of a rectangle. By the end of our exploration, you'll be able to determine the area of a rectangular figure on a grid, differentiate between area and perimeter, and skillfully solve real-world problems involving rectangles. Now, let's meet the rectangle. It boasts 4 sides. 4 right angles define its grace, and parallel sides stand in perfect symmetry, each with equal measures. Our journey takes us to the grid, where each square whispers tales of measurement. Count with me. How many squares does the blue rectangle conquer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. There are 35 squares, revealing an area of 35 square units. Now, let's delve into the essence of area and perimeter. Area, the enchanting space inside a shape, calculated as length times width. Perimeter, the majestic border encircling a shape, calculated as twice the sum of length and width. Let's apply our newfound knowledge to a real-world example. The basketball court has a length of 15 meters and a width of 11 meters. Calculating the area gives us 165 square meters, and the perimeter, a majestic 52 meters. Now, let's pause for a moment and reflect. When do you need to measure the perimeter of a rectangle? And in what real-life situations do you find yourself measuring the area of a rectangle? Time for some hands-on practice. Work in pairs to solve these word problems. Write your workings and answers on your copy. 1. The rectangular field is 310 feet long and 250 feet wide. What is its area? 2. The window has a length of 160 centimeters and a width of 80 centimeters. What is its perimeter? As we conclude our journey, remember these magical formulas: area of a rectangle, A equals length times width. Perimeter of a rectangle, P equals to times the sum of length and width. Thank you for exploring the mathematical wonders of rectangles with Syllabus. Until next time, keep embracing the magic of learning